In this video, you will learn how to create this 3D funnel chart in Microsoft Excel. I have created two funnel chart. One is without space and other is with space. So I will explain both method in this video. So let's start this tutorial. Here is the data about sale and I will create funnel chart using this data. First, I will select this data. Go to Insert tab and I will select this one 3D stock chart. Now I will resize it. Select this data series and here in design you will find the option of switch rows column. Select this option. Now click on this graph, right click and go to this format data series option, click on it. You can see here in series option you will find the option of column shape and click on this partial pyramid. Now click on this axis option, right click, go to format axis and scroll down. Here you will find the option of values in reverse order. Select this one and close this. Now click on this add element option, which is positive sign, and uncheck grid lines, chart title and axis. Now select here and move this plot area. Now click on here, right click, go to format data series and click on this fill and line option. Solid fill, that color is already selected. Scroll down and solid line with black color and change its width to 1.5 pt. Now select other series and from here I will select solid line with 1.5. Color is fine. Select this one and solid line 1.5 width. If you want to change color you can use this option. From here you can change the color. Now select last one and solid line. Now I want to add data labels. Select this one, go to this sign and here check data label option. Now select this data label, right click, go to format data label option, uncheck this, that's fine, check this series name. Similarly select this one and check series name, and this one and series name. Select last one and check series name. Now click on this label and from here you can change their font size and format. I will bold with black color and 12. Use format painter to format it. Now you can move these labels. For example, I will move it here. If you find that this is single line and these are in double line, you can use this option separator and click on new line. Similarly, select this one and use this new line option and I will place it here, the customer. So we have completed the formatting of this funnel chart. And if you want to create space between these, and firstly you have to arrange data like this. For example, this is the first category, then space. I will enter value of 100, which is the 10% of maximum value. You can change according to your value. Similarly, after second category, again I will create space of 100, and after third category there is a space option and I will write 100. Now I will select this data, go to insert tab and follow similar steps and select this 3D stock column chart. Select this series and switch rows option. Select this one, and in series option you can check this option, partial pyramid. Select the axis option, right click, go to format axis, and from here values in reverse order. Now go to this plus sign and uncheck this. Now to generate these spaces between these, select this one, which is the, you can see here it is the space. Go to fill and line option and select no fill and no line. Similarly, select this one and select no fill, no line, and similarly for third one select this one and no fill, no line. And you can add data labels as I previously explained. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.